Hello, Robert.
Hi, Remote.
For someone who says this is not working, you sure keep coming back.
Can we not do this? I just want to have a pleasant night and watch the game.
Oh, Bob. You know if you want to turn me on, you need to press harder than this. Harder. Harder. That's it. No, no, no. The volume is not going anywhere. Not with ease, at least. Hit me.
Please don't do this.
Hit me or the volume stays odd.
I'm just changing the batteries.
Ooh, you're naughty tonight. You can try. That's not going anywhere. Not with your fingers. You have to use your mouth. But easy with the teeth. Watch out for the springs. They are very sensitive. But don't ignore them either.
Ew.
Did I discharge a little something?
I'm out.